Hello, good morning. My name is José Ignacio Perilla López, studying University Secar del Caribe, elective two workshops. The difference and similarities between both exam are a learning process that serves as a source of impulse the learning. The English language. They are in developmental program. It serves improve educational quality to receive in solve technologies. Cambridge test speed the PET exam at process of inferior technology and reading comprehension and capacities of the each person generality of more and wise prolonging. This seeks to match the student ability. It's a creating and development process and more appropriate the visuality the reader. Exam. It's a prolonged learning process with the necessary possibilities in the chronology process of each student.